If you're getting the app not installed error on your Android phone, don't worry. This is one of the most common installation issues, and in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact fixes that work for most people. Follow along step by step, and you should be able to get your app installed without any more headaches. First, let's talk about the simplest cause. Low storage space. Android needs enough free room to unpack and install an app, and if your storage is full, the installation fails instantly. Go to Settings, then Storage, and check your available space. You want at least 500 megabytes free, but ideally closer to 1 gigabyte. If you're low, start deleting old photos, unused apps, or large downloads. Once you clear space, try installing the app again. If storage isn't the issue, the next step is to reset the package installer. This is the system tool that actually installs apps. When it glitches, everything fails. Open Settings, go to Apps, tap the 3 dots in the corner and choose Show System Apps. Scroll until you find Package Installer. Tap Storage, then clear both data and cache. This won't delete anything important. It just refreshes the installer and fixes most installation errors instantly. Next, make sure the app you're trying to install has permission to install APK files, especially if it's not coming from the Google Play Store. On older Android versions, go to Settings, Security, and enable unknown sources. On newer Android versions, you give permission per app. For example, if you downloaded the APK through Chrome, you need to allow Chrome to install unknown apps. If you're using a file manager, you need to enable it there instead. Without this permission, the installation will fail every single time. Another common cause is a corrupted or incomplete APK file. If the download got interrupted or the file came from an untrustworthy website, Android will block it. Try downloading the app again from a reliable source. If possible, use the official Play Store version. If you must use an APK, choose a verified site and always download the latest version. If you've tried all of these fixes and the app still won't install, the issue might be more advanced, like signature conflicts, outdated system components, or permission mismatches. In that case, you can get instant help from certified Android tech experts at bit.ly/ask-a-tech. They can remotely access your device and fix the error for you in minutes. To prevent this issue in the future, always keep at least 1 gigabyte of storage free, update your Android software regularly, and only install apps from trusted sources. That's it. These fixes solve the app not installed error for most people. If you need more help, visit bit.ly/ask-a-tech or try our free error checker at the link below.